Welcome back to Museful. Today I will be unboxing the Troubadour Apex 4 backpack. This video is not sponsored and I want to give my personal review of this backpack I just picked up. I've been seeing a lot of reviews online about this backpack and I want to give it a try for myself because I have been in the market for a new backpack that I needed for work and travel. So I decided to give this one a try. This one normally goes for $249, which is a pretty steep price point for a tech backpack. So take it out of the packaging. I did feel the quality and the materials right away. This is the obsidian green color, and I wanted to get something different, so that is why I chose this color. As you can see, there is a lot of zippers, there is a lot of storage, and we'll be talking about that shortly. So stay tuned. Opening up the backpack, it does have two pockets on the backside that can fit up to a 17-inch laptop. I personally carry a 14-inch MacBook Pro that fits perfectly in this back pocket. On the inside of here, I have a lot of cameras and a lot of travel material as well. So it's a lot of space, a lot of storage, which I really did like about this backpack initially. And I have been using this backpack for a while now, and I really say that the quality is top notch, and I have really enjoyed the zippers and the space. It is water resistant, which I do enjoy, and I do like this pocket right here in the front, which has our Carolina in it, and it has a carabiner if you have keys or something like that. There is a pass through, it's great for travel, which I do use, and the pads on the straps are amazing too. I personally really enjoy this backpack. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and give a quick overview of the Apex 4 from Troubadour. Please like, follow, and share.